Your love is like the ocean tide, steady as the wind and fierce as fire.
Weddings represent love, excitement, and dreams, both new and fulfilled. We're here to celebrate the fulfillment of a very special dream that has lasted for over 2 decades. The love that Mitchell and Walter have for each other, and to witness their decision to continue their lives as legally married partners.
You can break my body, but you can't break love.
Mitchell, do you take Walter to be your husband and partner for life? And do you promise to be by his side forever and love, help, and encourage him in all he does, to talk with, listen to, and care for him, to share his laughter and tears as his lover, co-parent, best friend, and lawfully wedded husband, now and forever?
I do.
And Walter, do you take Mitchell to be your husband and partner for life? And do you promise to be by his side forever and love, help, and encourage him in all he does? To talk with, listen to, and care for him, to share his laughter and tears as his lover, co-parent, best friend, and lawfully wedded husband, now and forever?
I do.
Walter, here today, in the presence of our children, family, and friends, I pledge that I will cherish and love you more each day than I did the day before. I will trust and respect you, laugh and cry with you, love you faithfully through good times and bad. I give you my heart and my love for as long as we both live. And with this ring, I ask you to be my husband.
Me echo aquí hoy en presencia de nuestros hijos, familia y amigos. Prometo que te apreciaré y amaré más cada día que el día interior. Confiaré en ti, te respetaré y lloraré contigo. Te amaré fielmente en los buenos y malos momentos. Te entrego mi corazón y mi amor mientras ambos vivamos. Y con este anillo pido que seas mi esposa.
I pronounce you to be legally married. You may kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my immense honor to present to you Walter and Mitchell, married at last.
Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe.
You know, it's been 17 years and you guys are great parents. Even though you've been in our family for 20 years, Walter, it's official today. So welcome, brother, and I love you both.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. I just wanna spend every day with you. Happy with the
Just being able to know both of them has been one of the great treats of our life. I can tell you that really, we've had some great leaders in this community in Houston, but very few who can match Mitchell and Walter. Truly, two of the great leaders Houston's ever had. Heroes, absolute heroes.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
To the grooms, to Mitchell and to Walter, I can't tell you how happy I am that we've made it to this day together. May your love and your lives endure beyond the last sunset. Cheers.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine. Nothing.
Thank you for doing this and having us as a part of your gathering. Really appreciate it and wish you guys a very happy day.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh,